Welcome back, everybody. It's Bronson with the Epoxy Resin Store. Welcome to my bathroom. Today we're gonna show you how we're gonna replace this countertop with a live edge countertop and make it real classy, more into the style that we're into. Replace this ugly, dirty thing with something beautiful and rustic. Can't wait to show you. Okay, this piece right here, you can see where the wood is and the bark begins. I like to just grab a chisel and kind of get it in there and get it started, just like that. And then I'll grab my trusty baby sledge and I'll tap that right off, and away comes the wood. And I'm not gonna really worry about some of this wood that's coming with it. I'm gonna shape this here in a minute and I'll show you how we do that. All right, now that we've removed the bark on this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take an angle grinder. I've got an 80 grit flat disc on here, and we're gonna shape this bark off. We're gonna get it all the way down, and we're gonna get it straight to the wood so we don't have to worry about any of the bark falling off. Now that we've gotten all the bark off and we've sanded it nice and smooth, I'm gonna use this torch and I'm gonna heat the front of it so that we get a nice dark coloration out of it. It's gonna make a nice effect when we put the epoxy on. Okay, now that I burned the outside, I'm just gonna take a 120 on a little hand sander and I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit for some variation, nice graduation in color. Just like that.